Hi, today we're talking about SASE versus cloud security and what some of the differences are. Basically, the advantages of SASE over cloud security is that with SASE, you have an edge device, typically an SD-WAN router, which provides additional insight and visibility into the end customer's network. Now, with cloud security, you typically do not have that. You either have possibly an endpoint device or endpoint software that's installed, or more frequently, you have all of the traffic from the customer's network being forwarded to the cloud service provider. And so the only time that the customer is able to get visibility is once that traffic arrives at the cloud security vendor, not when the traffic is at the local area network level. And what this means is that you basically don't have a lot of flexibility when it comes to cloud security vendors. All of the traffic gets forwarded to the cloud and then analyzed in the cloud, and it basically forces the customer to modify their networks in order to make it work with the cloud security vendor, which typically can be a complex deployment and make it more difficult to roll out a full security solution based solely in the cloud. Cloud security also lacks support. And again, because cloud security typically doesn't have an edge device, it doesn't have visibility into the cloud. And if it does have any type of edge device, it's typically just for forwarding all traffic to the cloud. So there's no flexibility in terms of being able to redirect traffic, route traffic the way a customer may want to be routed. And so again, inflexible and lack of support, because now you're not able to diagnose any issues that are occurring at the local level. So if there's a problem, the cloud security vendor can typically only diagnose the problem in the cloud once the traffic gets to the cloud. And if the traffic's not getting to the cloud service provider can't provide support for the customer in those cases. And then finally, there's no cohesion. So with a SASE solution, you're getting typically an endpoint, an edge, and cloud components that all work together in one combined solution. So you have visibility from end to end, you have security from end to end, and you have network connectivity that's reliable from end to end. You don't get any of those functionality, any of that functionality, or any of those capabilities in a cloud security solution. So to learn more about Zero Outages SASE solutions, please visit www.zerooutages.com.